Hello everyone, I am Father Emmanuel Fale Lon, priest of the Diocese of Kumbo in Cameroon, Africa. I was visiting in the United States since June till now, and I'm about to go home. I just want to take this opportunity to thank everyone whom I met and for all the support. You all came out massively to welcome me and to support me in the mission of Kumbo Kids and Community. I am thinking of all the supporters in Maryland who came out and the supporters in Ohio, especially in the Dayton area. So I want to thank you in a very special way for your commitment to support Kumbo Kids and Community. And the only promise I make is that the students at St. Aloysius Minor Seminary and I will be praying for you in a special way. God bless you and have a nice day.